Good afternoon, assalamu alaikum. How's the sleepy afternoon going on? All right. So, because I've been giving the tough time, which is after lunch, everybody feeling relaxed and everything, so I thought to jazz things up, right? How was the lunch anyway? How was the menu? Raise your hand. Who had and who enjoyed? Only you enjoyed? Those who eat and did not raise their hand, they will be charged. So raise your hands. Okay, cameraman, take all the pictures of these guys. They were here for lunch. So I would like to start the day, or just a little bit of my information, with a nice corporate joke. One day, Einstein was coming back from one of the events, and he was sitting in his car with the driver. So he said to the driver that I'm saying the same things in all the presentations and all the events, and I feel tired by speaking the same thing. So why not this time you should take this stage and do the best you can. So driver said, I've been listening to you so much, I can copy that. That's okay. So I'll become the Einstein in the next event, and you become the driver and just sit in the audience. So they switched the places. They went to this place, and the event started. Now, you know, in every event, there is always one scientist, genius, who would like to challenge the speaker to the best of his knowledge and pose a different and difficult question. So there was a very difficult question asked by one of the audience, and it was obviously the driver who became the Einstein for the event. And when the question was asked, this guy was completely puzzled and he did not know what to do. So he said, you know, this question is very easy that even my driver will answer it for you. So I will come to the question and answer session where I have my team who will answer most of the questions. So let's take it from there. I am Naveed Khan, the Cloud Services Manager from SaharaNet. I'm based in Dammam, in head office of Sahara. Originally, Sahara is an ISP, internet company, has been providing internet solutions and connectivity from the last 25 years. You might have, if you are from Saudi locally, you might have seen the scratch card back in the old days in 80s from SaharaNet for dial-up and everything. Now, SaharaNet has evolved into a data center as a service and cloud services provider since last 10 years, and we have handful customers using hosting services, virtual private networking, and a lot of other dedicated servers and so on. So let's move on. The question is, why cloud now? I think we all know in this room the reason that we are here for. Why are we going towards the cloud? Well, let's do a little bit of the studies by the gurus of the industry gurus. Gartner predicts that 206 billion by around 2019, and in 2020, we will reach the revenue of the cloud technology. This means that companies around the world will be investing this much when it comes to the technology. So adaptation. I will go in another slide as a technical side, what is the benefit of going towards the cloud and so on. The next, the technology shift is coming is the serverless technology. This means there is no dedicated server serving you. There is a computing network that is serving your services based on API and everything. And this new architecture is going to be the future. Very soon you will see in different places. In February, MCIT has introduced the Cloud First initiative in Saudi, which means everything has to be hosted somewhere in Saudi on the cloud, so it can be independent from any kind of, let's say, disaster, data losses, hacks, and any kind of situation that happens in the commercial life. Little bit about the vision that we follow. We would like to be your teamwork. We would like to be your team player. To follow the teamwork enthusiasm with you, with your clients if you have. We would also believe in innovation, innovating the new solutions, maybe by discussing a business problem that you or your customer has, and then developing something that's good for the business community. We believe in customer first initiative or customer first mentality. We believe in delivering the quality. We take responsibility in what we do. And at the end of the day, this will develop a trust between you and us. It's B2B or B2C. SaharaNet has 3 business units. One is the connectivity. Second is the cloud business unit. I am the head of cloud business unit. And the third business unit is cybersecurity. So I have the required people available on the floor from my Riyadh branch. They are specialized in all of these three. Thank you for the chats. Now, cloud offering. I offer 3 types of cloud for your business apps or your for business requirements. There is one which is based in Saudi in our data center. There is one which is based in USA in our corporation. We help you do the migrations, integrations, and everything. And the third one is the Sahara Azure. Now, Azure originally is a Microsoft product. It is available only in the US or in different places owned by Microsoft. It could be in Europe, it could be in North America. But we have this as a special offering only with us in the whole of the Middle East, Sahara Azure. It's a small setup, a small unit, which is available in Saudi in our data center. So if you have business apps which you are running outside Saudi, and you have a challenge that you want to migrate those apps in Saudi, but you have no place to migrate, then Sahara Net gives you this option. We can go more in details on one-to-one. I don't want to have a technical session for the rest of the people. So how Sahara Net can help? Well, these are some of the products. If you go on cloud.sahara.com, this is an online site. You can purchase everything there. You have your own username, password. You can download, you can upgrade, purchase packages. These are the products with the services. So you can buy .com.sa domain through us. You can have virtual private server through us, dedicated server. You can have a call center app downloaded on your mobile phone. And if you have a small business, you're a 2-people company or 200 company, that's fine. And so we have got a lot of offerings to run a business successfully, even from 1 person to 100,000 people. You just have to go online and probably check. And we have a lot of people available on floor to help you assist. We also have a Saudi-based and Saudi-made ERP. And what is ERP? You can see the wheel. It has inventory, services, HR. The HR module is Zakat and GOSI certified. The VAT module is Ministry of Finance certified. And this is all available in Saudi. It's hosted locally on Sahara Azure. I have consultants here to help you move on to this. So if you have any ERP challenges, we can very well solve them. Editing the forms or making changes in this ERP is on the fly by the user himself. English, Arabic support available 24/7 with the call center facility around the clock. These are the Microsoft products. I'm sure you're familiar with the logos and everything, Power BI and so on. I will not go in more details. But these are the solutions and the products that we have available, again, to help you build a solution or to assist you with your business. So the Microsoft Azure, the mini version that we have in Saudi only with us, what it has, it is hosted locally, is CITC compliance. We have a certificate for that from MCIT. It's in Tier 3 data center. It's Saudi-based architecture implementation team locally available with me in Saudi. So if you need assistance from an online architect or someone like DevOps or admin ops or anything, I have those people available with me. If you go directly with Microsoft, you will not find this support there available. So I have this in English and Arabic. This is a unique offering that we have created for local business community. Now it is suitable for all type of business apps or mobile apps or things that you can imagine. So we can definitely go in more details if anybody has any question later on. This is the slide which talks about why cloud or why do I go for a cloud model? Because you want to cut the cost. You don't want to manage the outdated hardware. You don't want to manage the cybersecurity responsibility. It's too much headache always to update and upgrade. It's a headache to maintain a big army of certified architects, developers, and this and that to manage one solution. So you focus on your business, and the IT company is focusing on their business, and this is how the business community is flourishing. So that's the whole concept, how you save money and why it's important. Cloud services, I have professional services team. My colleague Mazin Abu Taha, he's available, Cloud Solutions Manager. So we help you do the assessment for your solution or your business apps as a cloud assessment. We help you do the migration. We help you do public to private cloud, private to public cloud, depending on your requirements. We help you manage the services, transformation, and trainings and enablement. We have 2 data centers. One is owned by SaharaNet, that's Tier 2 in Dammam, and the other one is in our partnership, it's Tier 3. Both are in Dammam available. We have a third one coming up soon in Riyadh and another one coming up in Jeddah. This will cover the gap for high availability and a DR solution. We also have a very strong team which is managing the Aramco and Marafiq and Skillful and some other big names. In the name of cybersecurity, they have their SOC, and they have these services, Sahara Shield for WAF, and the pen testing, and all kind of different options available. I have also a team of cybersecurity which can help you discuss further if you have any challenges in this domain. This is the SOC, just to show you guys what do we exactly do in SOC activities on behalf of you or for your client: log collection, aggregation, reporting, research development, or mitigation. These are the certification for the data center that we have. It can be requested on one-to-one basis if it's needed by your company. So why us? I have monthly subscription offers for most of the services that I'm offering to you. You can test. I can offer you also 14 days free trial for most of the services that I'm talking about. You don't have to pay money until you have tried and tested. Plus, I have native Arabic language available staff with me. They are technical and also customer support. So if you have any kind of difficulty in managing multilingual team, then this will be very handy. Online payment option available for Sadat, credit card, and PayPal. And I'm obviously CITC compliant and locally based in Saudi. This is how the user portal looks like as a client. You can also become a reseller of Sahara if you are interested. And this program is being launched next month very soon. And there is the online agent available for chat, dual language. So you can anytime go online and you get to speak to our consultants online if you need any help or assistance. These are some of the clients that Sahara has, although we have so many, and we have catered them in 25 years of the history. So I guess I've reached the end of my presentation. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.